Welcome back to another landscape remodel. Today we are doing some preparation for where we're going to put some sod tomorrow. And we've already limbed up a bunch of these trees, and we got the stump grinder coming out today to clean up some roots and some stumps, just so we have a proper place to plant some new trees and bushes and put in some beautiful Zoysia Sod that will be arriving tomorrow. So time to get to work. About running out of sunlight for today, but we got the majority of this area graded, got everything cleared out, and just a little bit of hand grading to do in the morning. And I got all the stumps grinded and put in the arborvitaes and the camellias as well. All right, the boys are back, and today is the fun part. We're gonna put in sod here. So the sod delivery guy's on his way. We're just gonna finish hand grading this area and then put down some Zoysia sod. Let's go. All right, we're just wrapping up here. Got the beautiful emerald Zoysia sod installed. Woo! Looks really good, and customer's happy. It's got little sun, so you can run around and play in the beautiful grass. Looks really good, so I'm excited. I love doing sod, and one of the main reasons is because once you're done, you can just look at it and be like, wow, that looks awesome. And it looks awesome right away versus seed, you know, it takes a little time for it to establish. So I'm happy, looks really nice, and thankful to get to do this job.